Namaste, welcome to Monday Bytes from ChitraCars. Like the channel, share it to your friends and subscribe the channel and write your comments in the comment box. And thanks for encouraging me to do more videos. Today we're talking about what are the best ways and the right ways to be a professional driver, and start with your seating in the car. Today, when you get into the car, you should make sure that you sit in a comfort position, that you should be able to see the dashboard clearly, and as well as you should be able to see the bonnet and the front road, where the visibility should be clear where you are driving. In case you are not able to see the height, so adjust your height. If you have an adjustment of the height seat, please adjust, or put a pillow below you, so where you should be able to see perfectly. Then next is your mirrors, the side mirrors and the center mirror, which are important, because when you see the right mirror, the driving side mirror, you should be able to see you should adjust as if you should be able to see the entire road on the back side, and as well as in the mirror you should be compulsory able to see your back bumper. Same way, when you go to the right, you bend and have a look at it, you should be able to see the road, and later when you come to the position of driving, you should be able to see the bumper of the back. This is the best way of position to see that there are no black spots when you're driving, so it prevents you from a lot of accidents. Same way, the center mirror adjustment, it should be adjusted as it is center of the back of your car, and this center should match, so where your visibility is clear and you should be having no black spots and no for your safety driving. Next, when you come to the steering, right, you have to make sure you get an adjustment done. You pull the steering front to you, make an adjustment for your comfort, and it should be in a right position for driving, where you should not have any hassle in driving, and the position of holding the steering should be like 9 and 3. The reason why you should hold 9 and 3 is that when there is an accident happening, the airbags will open, and when it opens, it should not hit your forehead where there are chances of high risk. So this position will make you drive very comfortable, and as well as you are safe. And when you want to adjust your headrest, you should make sure that it is exactly behind your head, so it helps you from any accident where it doesn't affect your neck. This is the best way and right way to sit in the car and drive for a safer drive. Happy driving, safe driving. Think of cars, think ChitraCars. Thank you.